Hello?
Hello?
Huh? A treasure map!
Let's find shapes. Don't let it go away, Dizzy.
Did you get it, Toby?
Green circle. I got it. Let's go find more shapes. Green square.
All right, now here we go.
Camping time.
What's today? You're on a treasure hunt?
Green triangle. We need more green shapes to finish this treasure hunt. Woo! Shiny green stars. Let's take it. Green star.
Let's go!
It's so cute. Green heart. That's the last one. Treasure time! Best treasure hunt ever! Let's find lunch now.
I hope it's green jelly.